Hey, have you ever been out cleaning carpets and all of a sudden your solution line breaks on you and all the hot water's going all over you and all over the customer's fine furnishings? What do you generally have to do? You have to go ahead and pack everything up, tell the customer goodbye, tell her you'll be later, you lose money, you lose time. However, there is a quick solution. Instead of having to go to the repair shop and get it done, if you keep a Rob's Quick Fix hose crimp on your truck, all it does is 2 little pieces. I'm going to show you how to put it together right now and make your life a whole lot simpler.
All right. Today we're going to talk about our Quick Fix hose crimp. It's a 1/4-inch stainless steel fitting, and why you need to keep these on your truck so you can fix your hose if you spring a leak. So what you do, once you cut your hose, and this is a reverse thread, you start, put it on level, and then just reversing it on. Get it straight. Twist, twist, twist. You can probably use this if you want to go a little bit quicker. Just have a grip on the hose and twist it on. And you're going counterclockwise until it stops. Ooh. And you can look in the tip, you'll see the hose getting close to the end. And I think that's there. Now you just persuade this in there. A good way to do it, I'm just going to bang, hold it in my hand and bang on the flat surface. And once it starts, now this is a normal thread, so you go clockwise. Alright, there you go. It should look like that at the end. And what happened was you put the hose in, and I forget the technical name for that. I'll find it for you later. And this squeezes in there so you can get a nice high pressure seal. Now we're all done. A Quick Fix hose crimp. Keep it on your truck so you don't have to lose money.